Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Umintri rangba ka Assam u Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma but umintri rangba ka Meghalaya u Conrad Kisang mahne kasni balang kilapli ka Karbi Hemtun ka jaka sa jong ki samla puli ka Karbi Anglong ka badan halaban Shillong. Nalor kani kilabu ru ya umau nong rim bante ya ka hostel ka bashispa jingthia bat ka commercial complex. Hagani ka jingelang ya don lang usumbut menteri rangba ka jilla ubas nyau balangdhar u CEM ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council u Dr. Tuliram Ronghang u CEM ka KHADC ba penyat singsuim kinong mi khmat na ka jilla Assam bat kiwe. Ya gani ka jakasa lateh ha ka jinglut jingsep ka bakon arhuway pon san folklore tingka.
Best try.
We also have Honorable Chief Executive Member of Karbi Autonomous Council, Dr. Tuliram was the chief guest status.
Somehow.
Yes, of honor.
Cameras.
Another guest status.
Honorable CM of Meghalaya for his love and affection to the people of Karbi and for the people of Assam. As I told you that this is an important day for the people of Karbi. We have completed Hemtun here in Shillong, and the next project, that commercial building as well as 100-bedded student hostel will also come sooner than later. People of Karbi has a long bond with the people of Meghalaya. We share our boundary and we are friends. That is why a Karbi Bhavan in Shillong is very important milestone for all of us.
The people of different communities, irrespective of which caste or creed or religion they belong to, but for all the people, his commitment to ensure that there is overall development of Assam and ensure that there is an inclusive development of Assam. So I thank him and congratulate him and Dr. Tuliram on this great achievement that has been done today out here. I also would like to take this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you to our state of Meghalaya, and many of you have come from far off places, from different locations. Some of you are here in Shillong and Meghalaya itself. So to all our friends and our guests and leaders of the State Assembly, members of Parliament, members of the Autonomous Council, and all other friends who have come, I take this opportunity on behalf of the people of Meghalaya to welcome each and every one of you to our state of Meghalaya. Welcome to Meghalaya. And thank you for this wonderful reception that you had out here. When I walked into this place, the kind of reception that was given to us, the kind of warmth that we felt, the smiles on your face, the wonderful color and the culture that was showcased today out here, is once again a real example of the kind of beauty, the kind of richness and the kind of diversity that the people of the Northeast and the Northeast in general has. And seeing this diversity is really kind of a very satisfying moment for me, and I thank again Tuliram ji for having showcased the culture of the different tribes of the Northeast today here in this particular program.